Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 9, future tense from the book English Grammar 5. We have simple future tense. The simple future tense is used to express an action that will take place in the time to come, in the future time. तो सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस हम वहां यूज करते हैं उन एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए जो कि फ्यूचर में अकर होने वाले हैं. ओके, we have example, she will visit us next month. Now will visit next month, so this is the event which occur in the future. So we have used will plus the root form of the verb here, which is visit. Okay, read the following sentences. First, I will visit my grandparents next Sunday. Then second, she will buy a new mobile tomorrow. Then third, they will arrive here next week. In the above sentences, the verbs will visit, will buy and will arrive are in the simple future tense. So in these sentences, all these verbs are in the simple future tense. Then we have formation of the simple future tense. We use shall plus will plus root form of the verb. हम या तो shall use करते हैं या will use करते हैं plus the root form of the verb. Shall invite, will meet, will arrive. Okay. Shall is usually used with I and we. Shall जो है ज्यादातर I और we के साथ ही यूज किया जाता है. Will can be used with all subjects. Will जो हम सारे subjects के साथ यूज कर सकते हैं. Then use of the simple future tense. This tense is used to give information about a future event. ये टेंस हम इसलिए यूज करते हैं कोई फ्यूचर में इवेंट होना जा रहा है उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देने के लिए. एग्जाम्पल्स, फर्स्ट वी शैल मीट हिम टुमारो. नाउ शैल मीट, दिस इज द सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस हियर. ओके, देन सेकेंड, दे विल अटेंड रोमा's बर्थडे टुमारो. ओके, now we have know it. We often use words such as tomorrow, this week, next week, this month, next month and next year with the simple future tense. हम ज्यादातर words use करते हैं tomorrow, this week, next week and next year simple future tense के साथ. Okay, we have creative skill, time to do. A, fill in the blanks with the simple future tense form of verbs given in the bracket. Now we have to fill here the simple future tense. First, my friends dash bring me nice gifts. The answer is will bring. Then second, my father dash eat rice for dinner. The answer is will eat. Then third, Rahul dash write a letter. The answer is will write. Then fourth, Kanika dash buy a ring. The answer is will buy. Then fifth, he dash wash the clothes. The answer is will wash. Then sixth, I dash finish my project by the end of this week. The answer is shall finish. Then seventh, they dash leave next week. The answer is will leave. Then eighth, she dash arrive tomorrow. Answer is will arrive. Then ninth, I dash invite my friends to my birthday party. Answer is will invite. We use the following words to make sentences in the simple future tense. We have to use these words or sentences to make them into simple future tense. First, Vishal slash watch slash a TV program. The answer is Vishal will watch a TV program. Then second, Dinesh slash open slash a dairy shop. The answer is Dinesh will open a dairy shop. Third, teacher slash teach slash in a school. The answer is teachers will teach in a school. Then fourth, Preetham slash manage slash a restaurant. The answer is Preetham will manage a restaurant. Then fifth, he withdrew slash money slash ATM. The answer is he will withdraw money from ATM. Then we have review. The simple future tense is used to express an action that will take place in the time to come in the future time. सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस उन इवेंट्स को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए किया जाता है जो कि फ्यूचर में अकर होने वाले हैं. दिस टेंस इज यूज्ड टू गिव इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट अ फ्यूचर इवेंट. ये टेंस हमें फ्यूचर इवेंट के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देता है. We often use words such as tomorrow, this week, next week, this month, next month and next year with the simple future tense. Then we use shall slash will plus root form of the verb. Okay. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.